Okay. What is on your plate this coming around? You have come to letting the public on.
Okay, let me first appreciate you guys for passing by. It is an honor to be before your platform at this time. I would like to first say a very big thanks to the president, Joseph Imam Bouakan, his vice president Jeremiah Konakun, for the peace and stability that we are enjoying now in the country. Because in any other government where there is peace, I feel the first best thing you all go for reconciliation, everything. One is to have peace. All those talking go on. So we will first say a very big thank to their leadership. And then we'll be coming to Nima Kandeh, where we have one of the powerful celebrities of our time. At the time we got there, for performance now, it is good to give Media Flowers alive. So we want to say to her a very big thanks for giving her that chance, that trophy of recent. She was very instrumental in giving that trophy to Nima Kandeh, as the leader of the country, to have stood by the team, to have stood by the community members to reach that level. It was a great job.
A great job.
So we want to tell her thanks for the effort. Then we also moved to the caucus and the consensus on Nima, who was actually involved in the contribution towards a trophy like Nima. We want to thank you. And also the citizens. There were a lot of people who were buying a data, let the pay schedule to our going to Washington. The motorcycle days goes on. So we want to say a very big thanks to people for that part of our development in the country.
Okay. Since you're on a national platform and 2 million people watching, my name is John Sarkis is anyway for Fast TV. I'd like to know from you, Mr. Miller, you and the superintendent in town part have not been cool. What is bringing about the cemented relationship this coming along?
If you say we are not been cool, then I promise you.
You've been having some issues.
If you disagree with your mother, or if you disagree with your legs and so on, you disagree with that, nothing to do with not being cool. Okay. It's just a matter of anything that's going on, right? You want to see. But it's unfortunate for our setting when you see, I think you didn't resonate well. So for me, personally, if you look at if you ask something unknown to me, the very first piece that was in the country by her, it was my uncle. When I was dismissed from the steering committee job, and there was material from my office, she kept calling, told me, Mama, come, Nima, for the sake of peace, and you are coming as a mother. I'll follow the relationship material to you. I give it to her. So we have been called it just a matter. People want to buy favor. People want to get buy or that kind of leverage. So they want to take the need to people and other people who understand. And then for us, she's a professional person and level business. So there's issue we raised, like what I said from the beginning. My point was the superintendent should be the last one to speak in the country. The superintendent should be the mother for level. She's the mother, and even she's younger than the other people, she's the mother for us. Because they are who care about her for 9 months. So they respect the very first thing they give her. But there was some issue that I tried to figure out. Probably it didn't resonate well. If I'm wrong, I would say sorry. Let me say opening my not sorry, but we were trying to erect chapel for some things. And now all activity you will sing glory to them. When someone criticizes you, they are putting a gun. My point was like this. The senator that issue with all the people in SYZ. And then the superintendent was not in country when he made that statement. And that we know professionally, the superintendent can cover audit. It's the national government or the country can cover audit. So there is audit in it. We're not coming out from the superintendent angle. There are other issues that we can handle it. But then the superintendent came out when the senator made statement. They were like Suma. It was there where I said no. Even allow Mozability coming to form a ruler party in this country. It should be the mother. Oh, Mr. Billy, Mr. Koga, you guys need to meet. Let me see your mother. Can we have a common ground and we iron out? But I was not speaking like I heard or no. I think I was speaking of bringing unity to Nima Kandeh. So I don't see reason why it will go on the on the media as we are not being cool. We have been cool with my mother. We have been very cool. And I don't think as a superintendent, as a vice president in the country, I would in no other way I would respect. I respect us not dearly. But it's just a matter of understanding. I will follow unity. And then as we speak now, she's in the direct position whatever, and she's doing extremely well. You saw the academy, everybody came to support the academy. Musa Belede, everybody came. That's why we're fighting for the country. The unity of the Nima country is what, for me, as my major goal.
Okay, my name is Emmanuel Jebo. Let's dive into the national mandate. I don't know as to whether you are part of the Petroleum Retailer Association, but there is a mandate of the issue of petroleum default in the country. What can you say about it?
If you're speaking of default in the country,
because and quite recently we noticed the Pinsville City Corporation through the government of Liberia and other regulatory authorities been coming down on the issue of Cambodia selling gas on the street, which have affected petroleum.
Okay, thank you so much. For the Bible say every in a developed country, you want to see your country on a high level. If you check around, you see the articles, see Guinea, when you enter the capital city, they'll keep it because if you check in Liberia, you can second or third. So in the government, in the capital city, you have people on the south gas or it is not safe. If you do a survey that landlord houses burning in Monrovia, who knows? So if the government has done a survey, and then they have found out that probably it is due to gasoline being so along the sour, and if they come up many, I can then say no. But what I can tell you is that if you check here for my area, we all started on that level. But as you said, you think that tomorrow, after 4 or 5 years, we'll not be at this stage. So those who want to start what they do, see our best, they can find a better position just to see that we are on the national level.
Some say the regulation of Cambo's or quote unquote or sour set of petroleum is affecting the mini gas station. Have it been affecting you too?
What I can say for sure is that one of the things these are one of the key political commodities. If you control it, so that way you become part of the country, the rest of that stuff. So what I can say, what I know of is, I was like, even when I come on, we sell Campbell. What we can do is that we have a gas somewhere and inquire one gas, but we can't expose as what they are doing now. Because you see, them all gas, all the road is not safe for us. It's not safe. But to say you can't get rid of them because they need to survive. But in surviving, you got to keep the country to. You speak on Monrovia. Monrovia, capital city, you got to put some system in place. Yes, we need capital city. All the investors coming. So if you see gas in the body, feel and so on, you know what gas can do. So the government knows the best thing to do for us. We want development. So the best way that we can put in place when it comes to embarrassing our gas station, yes, because most of the users want to buy gas in the battle. And before you develop this country, on a serious note, you must be on petroleum in the general market. That's stable price, come and give price. The price will go far below the price. So if you're going to the price, you on the side will be able to pay tax in the country.
Has it flipped for prices at a minimum gas station?
The prices government give up will sell below the gas price. And if the consumer will let it go, if we have pump. In order to keep yourself up to that state of that pump, come on, we have pump. That many people will buy from the pump. The person is a pump correct, high fee. But to have a guy in South, they need to put the gas in a safe place. They are helping the community also, but we need to put Liberia on the map.
So in essence, you don't support seeing them selling on the street?
No, I support them because they should be minimized.
When you say minimal, what you mean?
You buy your gas, you can do your sale. Our time when we were selling, what we do is we rest alternative. After 7, 8, round 2, 3 in there, you do your sale, you help the community.
It is alleged that you guys who are the top of selling gas here or in the petrol business in the County are fighting local campus on ground that you are working along with the democracy authority in making sure that they leave the street.
If you say that for Kanta, for McQueen, as I know, as a CEO of the business. But the government says today no. I'm not sure to tell you I will say we cannot sell Campbell. No. The government says no. The government give the privilege to give the product. We do. We sell for $750. We get them buy and sell for $720. We get them tell how to sell. They will buy and go sell for $720. So who in that direction? We have been there, but in the government come away. That's developed.
Are you a member of the Gasoline Association?
I am not. I'm the mayor of Manqueen. I'm a registered business.
Why is it you don't want to join the association?
I'm a taxpayer. I pay my social security, I pay my every tax team. You real estate. Why do you gas association? I'm a registered gas station. I'm not part of
You
it.
think they are not legitimate?
I'm saying I'm not part of them because I got a registered business. I'm kind of what's it my business area. So to have a union, I don't know what's the intent of that union, so I'm not part of any union. And I'm not willing to be part of any union.
Yeah, okay, my name is Jackson Afghanan from Metro Media. So in short, are you against the removal of Ken Boyd from the principal street of Ganta?
I'm not against that. Because like I said, it's still a political commodity. The only thing that you get regulation put in place and stop the pollution, you got gas all on the street, daytime. So what they can do is for if they are listening, you get an organization, control your people. If you control them when they come to the need, you send around 2-3 workers, they know they can around 3 workers, you happy. Or you leave the city and go the highway, help other motorcyclists, but you set a more in the city circle where you got someone from the car, you got coach also, you're racing for the citizen.
Okay, coming back to the country, Nima seems to be overwhelmed with developments. Recently, we witnessed the dedication of the Nima Lodge near Monrovia. And there's a pending bank, that's the Nima Bank, that will be, the grant will be breaking anytime soon. So what do you have to say to the local authority ahead of all this development coming from Nima?
I don't want to praise I don't want to sing credit to the superintendent because like I said from my intro, she has been doing extremely well. The independent have given some dissatisfaction. But on the issue of development, we can agree 100%. This is why I started appreciating the president and his vice president because the local government had get the one power to work in our country. Before in time past they had what they call council city, where you delay our development. Even when I was then chairman of the county steering committee, he has some serious problem for us. He prefer not to pay that power. But as you speak, the Sweden have all right to give to teach them the rightful people to do the work in the country. Everyone want development, she doing Sweden well. So with the issue of the bank, I will be so happy that the people can look my own country. Yeah, because maybe I will fall in the category the criteria set to get a loan, I will get it. Because if you give me a loan, I will give me a loan, every day give me a loan, what was it? So I know that will be a help to me. I will be happy that I will be giving interest to my country.
You seem to be in a good line with the superintendent now. If today you are called back to the steering committee of the Nima County team, are you willing to work?
Even if you call me or work. It passed county me. I will then within all through prepare some.
About the recent county meet?
Oh yeah, you saw me when you interviewed me. I went all through. So because I've spent 4 years with the county and know how it works. So when they turn the million pull to the family out, I was done. I said Nima because he can't play a song and the coordination of fun.
Are you still receiving the comfort that maybe a chairman emeritus should receive?
If I'm a Nimaians, and I got rather live in Nima, I rather take any Nima program.
Are they coordinating with
your current successor? Before I own Nima, I'm so paid Nima. So when the leadership can't do respect, we should go this is my country.
Can't get a legend.
Oh yes.
Okay.
That's my focus.
Have you been able to call the superintendent to have a sitting with her?
What I did or recent, like I told you, was if somebody do good for the country, like what happened to her, you take the lead to appreciate.
Okay.
And I just said on the media, appreciating some hierarchy in the country, including superintendent and the president. So if they are done good, we will say if there is any bad thing, we will be critical on it. Even if they have problem with it, but that's our view, that's our opinion. But the fact that we are not insultive, I don't think there's issue with it. We will say you may not like it, but when you go in your closet, you say, oh, what they may say there is need to work on it. That's my own issue. So I don't personally anybody in the country. Nima is my focus, and like you said, I don't know if you call for over Nima Gandhi. So who are buying girl we can call, they don't call. They come to us because we are sons and the Lord of Nima. So the money they gave us, I think it's good that we return giving it to the country is what we need.
Okay, so this brings me to this question. The country just ended. Grading your successor now, how do you look at their performance? For the fact that
before I answer your question, the issue of your call back, it level is really, but for me, I feel that I don't want too much to fight the country.
Did they perform well?
I'm a young man. I come to your question. I'm called back to serve. At the appropriate time we are addressing. but I don't see it necessary to go. It will be like 14 among the youth. I want peace in the country. I have been fighting for peace. I love peace. The father, they are there working. What we need is to get victory, and they getting the victory. So to your question, these are people that are trained.
Okay.
These are people that work with me.
The less of beer garden.
Everyone on our team work with me.
Okay.
These are people that work with, and I want to train almost 3 times to work with me. So being successful to that level is not a strange thing, because if you got children in the home, and you got 4 or 5 children, you out of 5 you get 2 or 3 that will actually take your footstep. So there was some leadership that came to fail because probably they didn't understand the issue of the footstep daily. When this guy came, there are some mistakes that he took, and then you will succeed. Where I'll do it, go for players. You have a Gentile African team, that's one style of play. The kind of player there will find with 3 or 4 5 high-class player to blend them with me.
Were you the one that gave the consultancy?
Like I told you from the beginning, that people work with me, they know the style of play. So one is Martin fan. When you take that step, you will succeed.
There's a huge praise coming from the coach of Nima Khan and Mohamed Sisi. And there be the court for him to be maintained ahead of the next country. What's your take on that?
Mohamed coming to Nima, it was through my influence.
You know him well?
I know him well. When I won the call 2 times, he was my trainer. He was my play the team. So when you need surface, I was like, yes, it's a good coach, but later when you're drop, I call you to be careful. When you need surface, you come to Nima football, and definitely the king. He came to Nima to win, or not straight to me. The only thing I told him was, when you get to the country, be focused, leave your donate issue, do your job, and he did. And he one of the best coaches around here.
Let's talk Marquis a bit. This is 2026. Where are we? What new for Marquis?
What I can tell you for sure is that if you get to a cow factory after Federal campus, checking your right recommend name, you see the huge building there, about 2 acres of land. Margaret trying to move more around. So we got all the, like I always told you, you will now give your opponent what you want to do. You won't take it as a fight. Find a common ground. Let's see how best we can handle our country the best way. So I want to thank you so much.
Donnie David Mello, thank you so much.
You're welcome.